Beautiful it is. The weather, you just can't beat it right now. It is absolutely gorgeous. Are we going to continue to see these temperatures? Please bring some good news our way.
For about 2 days, if that's the news that you want to hear. We're going to have these beautiful temperatures in the mid-70s for about 2 more days, and then the changes come later this week and will be more seasonal for this time of year. But even then, by next weekend, we'll still have temperatures in the 60s, and that's nice. Also, do want to give you a heads up about these winds today. You'll notice they'll be gusty, and they'll be upwards of 25 miles per hour at times, even upwards of 30 miles per hour at times. All these gusty winds are ahead of a cold front that won't move in until Tuesday. That's the front that I mentioned that will start to cool us down and bring us more average temperatures for this time of year. Even then, temperatures in the 60s doesn't sound all that bad. So be prepared for these gusty winds as you head outdoors today and tomorrow. Now, these are the temperatures for this afternoon. As early as 10 a.m. I'm expecting temperatures to be in the low 60s across the board, warmer out towards the west. We'll have a bit of a range, and I think it's not doing a great job of picking up these temperatures in our eastern counties. You guys will be closer to 70 degrees there for the high this afternoon. For the rest of us, I'm expecting low to mid 70s, warmer out towards the west. I have a temperature of 75 degrees forecasted here in Springfield. Tonight's overnight lows only dropping down to about 58 degrees. Tomorrow, once again, we're going to be in the mid 70s for the high in the afternoon. We will have more cloud cover today and tomorrow, and that's just because you'll notice these green colors here. That is moisture returning to the Ozarks, so that will help bring some clouds, allow them to form. Then we get that cold front coming through, and you can see this front very well through the moisture in the atmosphere. So you'll notice this is the moist air, this is the dry air right here. That line between it, that is the cold front. That moves through on Tuesday, continues to push to the east. This is now 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Still seeing that cold front pushing through the Ozarks. So we'll have temperatures above average on Tuesday. Then starting Wednesday, that's when we'll drop back down to the low 60s. Again, cloud cover this afternoon can be expected just because of the moisture returning to the Ozarks. There could be an isolated shower on Monday out towards the west. Chances of this happening very minimal, maybe just a 10 or 20% chance. So I wouldn't worry about that. Then on Tuesday, that's when I'm watching for that cold front to come through. That's going to bring us our better shot at seeing some rain as early as 1 p.m. I'm expecting that rain to move in well before that. It does have the potential to have some stronger thunderstorms with it, but the severe weather parameters overall look to be fairly low. We'll be watching it closely. However, Tuesday, 6 p.m. now, all the rain is out towards our eastern counties. That's where I'm expecting some of those higher accumulations to fall. That clears out after dark, and then we'll be dry on Wednesday. In terms of those accumulations, they're going to be a bit less. I was initially hoping that we'd get upwards of a ½ inch. We could use that rain. Well, just given the limited moisture supply available, it looks like we'll be lucky to get a ¼ inch. Again, that'll just be out for those eastern counties. The rest of us, those accumulations significantly decrease as you go towards the west. Good news is this is not the only shot at rain I'm looking at this week. There could be more rain renewing in next Saturday. So we'll track that more closely as that comes up. 75 degrees again for that high temperature today. It's going to be a windy one outdoors this afternoon. Clouds will start to build. 75 in Arkansas for that high temperature. And then tonight dropping down to the upper 50s. A couple things I want to point out on the 7-day forecast. Again, the cold front moves in on Tuesday. That's going to start the trend for some cooler temperatures on Wednesday. You'll notice high temperature near 60 degrees. We also start to dry out. Tuesday is our best chance at seeing rain in the early portion of the week, and then the next day that I'm watching for rain is next Saturday. So we have a couple more days of these above average temperatures. Then we come right back to what's normal for this time of year, which is temps in the low 60s.
All right, well, we'll enjoy it while we can. A goat stolen from a California high school is now back after deputies were able to catch